Hi, my name's Brady Terrell, and when I was 5 years old, I was diagnosed with asthma. I was on asthma and allergies. I was on 5 medications a day, right? 5 medications a day. I come to Dr. Shirley when I was 7. He adjusted me, and I could actually breathe better then, and I didn't have to take all the medications all the time. I didn't have to take my inhaler so much, and all the different nasal sprays, and all the different pills, and like all the breathing treatment stuff, and just I could actually breathe without having all that other stuff that I had to do.
And so when you stopped taking the medications, you just went back again to not being able to breathe. So you were fine while you were on them all the time.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
I'm turning 13.
And how often do you come in to see Dr. Shirley?
Twice a year.
Twice a year at least.
All right.